everyone, I'm going to show you how to connect Prezi to Google Drive. So go to prezi.com. Now, once you're here, click your profile at the top right, then go to account settings. Once you're on settings, go to profile, then right here, so you'll see connect social accounts. Now look for Google Drive logo and click on connect. So it's this one, click on that, choose your account. So click on continue. Make sure you select this box right here to select all of it and click on continue. And that's it. Your Google Drive account is now connected to Prezi. So you can reload the page and double check it. So if it says disconnect, that means it's already connected. So from here, you can also connect your Facebook account, your Google account, your Apple account, or Windows. So if you want to again. So if you want to disconnect any social accounts, so for example, Google, just click on disconnect right here. Or if you want to disconnect Google Drive, just click on disconnect. So I'm going to click that for example, and it will be disconnected instantly. And that's it. Thank you for watching.